Dear students, in the previous video of this chapter, I have explained there about the food and shelter of the early human. Here I am going to discuss about the tools of early humans. As we know, the life of early human was not so easy. Man was not very safe in the forest. It was not easy for man to counter the attacks of wild animals. So he started using crude stone weapons. There are some features of human tool making that are not known among the apes, and means that apes were totally unaware about the use of stone tools. The way in which the human can make tools, we require a greater consciousness and the organizational skills, and both the things were absent in apes. Later, as per the certain anatomical and neurological adaptation which improved the skill use of hands, and early man started his invention towards the tools making. The earliest evidence for the making and use of stone tools comes from sites in Ethiopia and Kenya, and later it was accepted by the archaeologists that the earliest stone tools makers were the Australopithecus. And about 35,000 years ago, improvements in the techniques for killing animals like the javelin throw and the bow and arrow, through which they get the meat by removing the bones, and they processed by the drying, smoking and storage. That means now the early man started food storage for later consumption. There were other changes we can see, such as the trapping of fur bearing animals and the invention of the needles. We got the evidence of the stitched clothes around 21,000 years ago. With the introduction of the punch blade techniques to make small chisel like tools, and these things started the engraving work on bone, ivory or wood. So dear students, in this video I tried to clear the concept about the stone tools and which was used by early human. In the next video we'll discuss the other things, so revise it again. Thank you.